What does it take to be at the forefront of the world's technological advancements? With a core belief in driving connectivity, sustainability, and productivity. WIDMA. Machineering tomorrow. WIDMA manufactures special-purpose machines, including deep-hole drilling machines, vertical turn mill centers, tool and cutter grinding machines, fixture and tooling solutions, and engineers the most complex components with precision, right from microtools to large structural parts. These machines are enabled with the latest IoT capabilities, allowing traceability, efficiency, and automation. Located in India's technology and manufacturing hub, Bengaluru, WIDMA has a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility spread over 75,000 square feet. Since its inception in 1984, WIDMA has successfully installed over 4,000 machines and fixtures. Several of them done remotely through an innovative virtual reality platform. With over 500 satisfied clients in India and abroad, WIDMA's global footprint is expanding rapidly, as is its capability to address all critical machining needs. WIDMA has been recognized as an industry leader time and again across the manufacturing ecosystem, as well as by our customers. WIDMA has a highly skilled team of designers, assembly, application, and customer service engineers, all working together to empower world-class manufacturing. WIDMA. Machineering tomorrow.